Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm recording right now, so you gotta see I gotta lock in for me. MET. Hold on now look. Put your arm, you see me, across the screen, bro. If you a real one, bro, you gonna do it though. If you not, I don't know what to say about you, bro. But hey, MET XRO. Hey man, look like I'm dapping niggas up during COVID and shit. You know, it wasn't no handshake. It was just yo, you know, fist bumps. You know what I'm saying? Not all that handshake. But yeah, man. As y'all can see by the title, why the fuck am I looking over here when y'all right here? I'm tripping. Fuck. But yeah, man. This video, I'm not gonna lie. This is just a little intro and shit, just to the video and shit, right? So, what I'm finna do is I gotta go run somewhere. So I'm finna go on the way to there. We gonna talk about the topic. And then I gotta go to the post office to drop off some orders and shit. So on the way to the post office, we're gonna chop it up, all that shit, you know what I'm saying? And then on the way back to the post office, post office? What the fuck am I talking about? On the way back from the post office, we gonna, you know what I'm saying, continue on the topic. Then I'm gonna just end it there, cause you know what I'm saying, I got some shit I gotta do. I gotta go take down some fine shit, you know what I'm saying? Hey, keep it quiet though. Hey, don't comment none shit. Hey, I'm gonna just tell y'all because I fuck with y'all. I'm gonna keep it real. I got some fine shit I want to take down. No bullshit. But hey, yeah, man, y'all gonna see me in the car on the glass with the glasses on. We just gonna be talking to it. You feel me? I ain't gonna vlog the whole entire time while I'm in the post office, but I show a little something. You feel me? But yeah, man. I ain't got shit else to say, so just wait till the next clip, nigga. Alright, man, so we back. Now we in the motherfucking whip. You hear me? I don't know why I don't know, but I just did like a line of coats, so if I'm a little high right now, just my fault, yo. My fault, alright? So look, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know where y'all at, but me, it's cold than a bitch, bro. Like, this shit is not it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I've never been a fan of the cold. Like, I already get cold easy. I got anemic. I got anemic. What the fuck does that even mean? I'm anemic. All this other shit. So, otherwise than that, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna sit up here and rant about this bullshit ass cold shit. Fuck the cold. This some bullshit. But yeah, man. What y'all really want to hear? I know y'all niggas want to hear what I got to say about this account drawdown shit, right? So, basically, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Last week, bro, I was 2% away from losing my oh shit, I'm not turning. Oh shit. Damn. My fault, chat. Damn. But yeah, hey, y'all didn't see that. I ain't gonna lie. I can drive. I just really wasn't paying attention. I'm used to taking the left right there, but chill out, bro. But yeah, last week I was 2% away from losing my funded pips account, right? Funding kits, what the fuck? Alright, bro, this is getting bad. Funded pips, Propfirm account. And to be honest with y'all, I'm not even gonna sit up here and like cat with y'all. Like, real shit, if I gotta be honest with myself, bro, I thought I was gonna lose it. I'm not gonna sit up here and cat with y'all. And like, you know, as for y'all who been keeping up with my journey and shit, y'all know I just recently left my job. So it's kind of just like, damn, like, oh shit, this shit, you know what I'm saying? This shit, oh shit, you feel me? So yeah, man, I was 2% away from losing that shit. I mean, like I wasn't going over to like the daily loss rule. It was just like the loss rule in general. Like, I'm talking about I was just losing too much. Like, back-to-back days, I was just losing too much for like that week. I was just straight losing. And like, I was trading how I was supposed to. I was doing everything how I was supposed to, but man, like, you know, one thing I definitely could have learned about that week is, hey, bro, it ain't over till it's over. You can, like, yeah, you gonna take losses. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I can't lie. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. Like I said, I kind of thought it was over, but like, once I really like tapped in back into reality and was like, hey, bro, like, look, bro, like, come on, man, like, what the fuck? Like, I've been down on challenges before, plenty of times, and you know, I never lost like faith. You know, like for the last two accounts that I did fuck up on, I did like kind of slowly lose faith in that, because once, like, for me, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. You feel me? I'm gonna keep it 100% real with y'all. Hey, man, like once you lose like a certain amount, like, and you're so much in drawdown, you low-key, like, look, this is not a good habit. I'm not saying this is a good habit, but I'm just being honest with y'all. Like, real shit, it was at that point when I was in drawdown. I didn't fix this now, so I'm saying, hey, look, this gonna sound terrible, but I promise you, I didn't fix this way in my mindset. No, I'm not in that same mindset. But when you in so much drawdown and you damn near about to like fuck up on the challenge, just about to lose the whole account. Now the immature thing and just in general, just like the fucked up thing to do is just be like, man, fuck it, bro. I'm already damn near finna lose this account. Let me just full port this motherfucker, and if I hit, you know, then I'll be good. But if not, then it's just over. And for this challenge, I didn't do that, and I'm so fucking glad I didn't do that shit, bro. Cause I'm not gonna lie, like every week, it feel like every week, not every day, but I feel like at least once a week, I'll be like, damn, the shit I used to do back then, like on my journey and shit, bro, I don't do that shit no more. You know what I'm saying? It's like, and when you look back on your growth and just be like, damn, you know what I'm saying, a year ago or 2 months ago, you know what I'm saying, or whenever, you know what I'm saying, whenever, you know what I'm saying, you want to look back to and compare yourself to, you gonna be like, damn, I didn't do that shit. So my mindset that whole time, this Propfirm challenge, this Propfirm account, it was just like, hey, bro, like, I know, me personally, I know I'm let's put it like this, not to jinx anything, but I'm a streaky trader, right? And what I mean by that is I know when I'm trading good how I'm supposed to, it's easy for me to go on streaks. Like, I'm not gonna say easy, but I like like I'm saying, I'm not trying to, you know, brag and shit, and you know, but just from previous analysis, what the fuck are you doing, buddy? Fuck, where are you going? Where are you going? But yeah, oh shit, they closed? No, they not. They don't close till 6, fam. Oh, bro, it's 5:26. Oh, what? Hey, hold on, what you doing? They not closed, is they? Hey, if they not closed, then I'ma just go up in here. If they close, then this whole trip was for nothing. So we just gonna go up here and see, all right? So like I said, I'm finna continue this talk. Once we, you know what I'm saying, get out of there, if they close and shit, we just gonna see, bro. We finna walk up and see some shit, you feel me? If they not closed, I'm causing havoc in this bitch. I'm crashing off, I ain't gonna lie. We finna, you know what I'm saying, we finna go up in here. She finna go up in here real fast, you know. So hold on, y'all. We finna go up in here real fast and see what's to these niggas. They look like they closed though. I don't know though. Shit, I don't know. We gonna find out. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I used to always dream about, you know, selling shit and going to, you know, going to go deliver shit, you know. But I ain't finna record this part though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So man, yeah, we back in here. It's 5:30, you feel me? So I ain't gonna cap to y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I feel like Kevin Gates right now. You know, we got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the little stupid ass. I ain't gonna lie, I can't sing for shit. I'm not gonna try to sing for shit. Never gonna drop a mixtape. If I drop a mixtape, somebody slap the fuck out of me. No bullshit, alright? Real shit, man. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we back, man. Let me turn my long neck ass around and make sure ain't no cars coming behind the nigga. But yeah, we good, you know. Hey, man. But yeah, like I was saying, I really don't know the fuck I left off. Fuck. But hey, look. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't even gotta tell me. You know what I'm saying? I already know. You feel me? No, I know the fuck I don't. But look, I'ma just jump back to a random point. But like I said, bro, like I'ma keep it real. Like I said, I thought I was gonna lose the account, but you know what I'm saying, I had to relock in and reevaluate my situation. Like, look, bro, like my strategy's been working for years, right? Strategy been working for years. And this is like the first negative week I've had in fucking months. Like, I'm talking about first negative week in months where I just, like, you know, I was doing everything I was supposed to do. And like, bro, when I'm not trying, like I said, I'm not trying to jinx myself. But when I do everything I'm supposed to do during that time, I really, like, when I set, like, my rules that I have set in the times that I'm supposed to be on the chart and all that, you know, et cetera, right? On all those, like, you know what I'm saying, everything lined up, doing everything I'm supposed to do, I don't really have losing weeks like that, unless, you know, some losing weeks gonna happen though, you feel me? Just like this week, you know, it was unexpected, but at the same time, I managed my rest so well, I was able to trade next week. So boom, I was like, okay, cool, I fuck with this, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know what I'm saying, it feel good as fuck when you gonna wait. Damn, nigga, you just couldn't fucking wait, bitch. My bad, y'all. I'm supposed to be friendly. But yeah, like, when you know, you just, like, I'm telling y'all, bro, you just have to know you have to know your strategy. And if you know you and you know your strategy, I promise you, like, losing faith it's something that I'm like, look, bro, like, yeah, okay, I'm down. I can only lose 2% more. But bro, like, I know myself. I kept telling myself, all I need is one good trade to get me started out. Then boom, second trade, third trade. And this is what happened this week. I didn't lose not once this week. Hey, I'm always thanking God, you know what I'm saying? Anytime I, you know what I'm saying, do something good, or you know what I'm saying, anytime something turned out great for me, I always thank God. And I've been thanking God. Like, even while I was in the losing streak, I was praying. I'm like, hey, look, I just got to show up tomorrow, get another win. Show up tomorrow, get another win. And you know, it's hard to keep your head up. I'm not gonna lie. When you constantly losing, especially when you just quit your job and you're constantly losing, you're like, damn, this is like the number one thing I fear. But I'm like, nah, fuck that, bro. Like, I'm gonna just show up next week, bro. You can't just have one bad week or one bad day and just be like, oh, fuck, I'm not a good trader, or, you know, this and that. Look, bro, first thing first, if you have a bad week, bad month, bad day, look, reevaluate the situation. You know what I'm saying? Step back, reevaluate the situation, and be like, okay, what didn't I do correct? Okay, you know what I'm saying? You review everything. Now, if you didn't do anything correct, okay, my nigga, time to go fix the mistakes. You feel me? Get in that lab, go fix the mistakes, go get that shit right. Come on, bro. Like, you feel me? Like, we trying to be traders and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we not trying to. We not no giving up ass niggas, bro. Like, if you watching my channel, bro, don't be a giving up ass nigga. Come on, bro. Cause I keep shit too real over here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like I told y'all, I thought my shit was over. But like I said, bro, when you've been trading the game for so long and you've been trading your strategy for a certain period of time, bro, you gotta have faith in yourself. Like, you have to. You're the only person that has to have faith in yourself. Nobody else needs to believe in you for you to snap out that winning streak. Nobody else, bro. Like, at the end of the day, bro, that's why I preach so much about psychology. Yeah, strategies is cool, you know what I'm saying? But bro, psychology, learning to master psychology is so much fucking harder than learning the strategy. I don't give a fuck. I will disagree with anybody. Like, no bullshit, bro. Like I don't mean like, okay, yeah, you just learned a new strategy, okay. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, bro? Like, real shit. Psychology is fucking hard. Like, and it took me a real while to see that. And I'm not gonna lie to you, the reason it took me a long time to see that shit is simply because I was still making errors that I thought was just like common and shit, and, you know, just like, you know, brushing that shit off. But bro, when you really like look back and be like, okay, let me, like, does my psychology really look like that? Look at your MT4, bro. If your psychology really like that, bro, look at your MT4. No bullshit. And it will tell you, bro, if you see a lot of blues, okay, your psychology might be right. But if you don't see a lot of blues, bro, something is flawed, bro. Something is flawed, and you have to accept that. That's the first thing of getting better, bro. Is just accepting where you fucked up at. You feel me? Because, bro, if you can't never accept where you fucked up at, and you go like, okay, hey, because look, everybody's not perfect, bro. You feel me? I don't live to be perfect. I just live to be, you know, like me, bro. I live to be me and, you know, perform the way that I want to perform without having unreal expectations. You know, all my expectations, they're real, they're achievable. Now, they might be hard to fuck, but I promise you, they're achievable. For me, you feel me? For my body, for my, you know, my own knowledge, they're all achievable. You feel me? So, like I said, bro, when you in drawdown and shit, you just really gotta be locked in, and you just gotta know you. Like, you have to know you, and you have to trust you. You have to trust your strategy. You have to trust yourself to show up on the charts every day like you're supposed to, follow your rules. Whenever you lose a trade, or how many trades you know what I'm saying, you got to lose, or be like, okay, once I lose 2 trades, I gotta get off the charts. Because I guarantee you, 4 months ago, even further, if I didn't have the mindset I have right now, I promise you, I would have blown the fuck out that account. Because, bro, I ain't gonna lie, when I, like, making up a rule, okay, when I lose 2 trades, I'm gonna just get off the charts. That shit sound easy as fuck, but I promise you, when you first adapting that rule, bro, that shit is, like, you gotta like pull yourself off the fucking charts, bro. I promise you. It's been so many times where I told myself, okay, after this loss, or after these 2 losses, I'm gone. Then I hop in another trade. Okay, all right, if this trade don't play out, then I'm gonna get the fuck off the charts. Already knowing that I broke my rule twice. I mean, broke my rule once already. Now I'm trying to break my rule again to, you know what I'm saying? But look, bro, it's not a day-to-day game. It's not a day-to-day, like, you shouldn't live the trade day-to-day. You should live the trade year by year, quarter by quarter. You know what I'm saying? You wanna look at this shit long term, like. And like, once I really like start putting faith in myself and really started like, look, bro, like, it took me a lot of time to really get like, hey, look, bro, if you don't master this shit, you're just not gonna get to where you want. Like, and to me, the shit that I want and the way I want to live, bro, if somebody told me, hey, bro, if you don't do this, you're not gonna have that. And if I'm really passionate about that shit and I really want that shit, oh yeah, that shit gonna be like, oh, hold on, okay, like, you feel me? You really gotta look at life like, okay, if I don't master this shit, this shit's over with. I'm cooked. You feel me? So, hey man, to anybody in Drawdown, whether it's on a live account, Propfirm account, hey bro, I promise you, bro, just trust yourself. Just take it slow, bro. Just take it day by day. Like, I knew I wasn't gonna get out of Drawdown. I knew I wasn't gonna get out of Drawdown like that quick. But like I said, now that I trusted myself, this whole week, I'm 4-0 this week. I didn't even need to trade today. I felt no pressure to trade today. Why? Because I worked my ass off all week staying disciplined. And I knew if I looked at the charts today, if I didn't even see anything I liked, oh yeah, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I done performed as well as I could this week. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I did what I was supposed to do. So just make sure, man, whenever you in Drawdown, bro, don't try to earn all your, like, I know it's hard, and for traders and shit, sometimes you want to just make all your profit back in just one trade. But look, bro, just treat this shit, you know, just take it day by day, bro. Just take it day by day and treat it seriously. Like, don't just treat it as just like a, you know, just like a quick scheme. Just look, bro, trade day by day. Don't think you're trying to get this shit in an instant. Just take your time, bro. Just take your time, take it day by day. And whenever you're in like losing situations or you get thought of breaking your rules, just look, bro, there's always gonna be another trade. You know what I'm saying? As long as God wake you up the next day, it's always gonna be another trade, bro. So look, bro, just have, like I said, I'm getting ready to end this video, but you know what I'm saying, like I said, have faith in yourself, take it slow, understand what you need to, like, what could you do better, and learn from them losses, and just you know what I'm saying, just, I don't know, bro, I don't know. It was just about me having faith in myself, because like once I told myself in my mind, hey, bro, like really, once I told myself, hey, bro, look, we gonna show up next week and we gonna take this shit day by day, and next thing you know, hey, bro, I took it slow. I did what I was supposed to do, and hey, I got blessed for it. You know, I was up 4-0 this week. My account is back in good standing. I'm good. Hey, all I could do is thank God and just say shout out to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank God and shouts out to me, because man, bro, it took a lot of discipline to really just take my time and do what I was supposed to do, instead of just doing what a lot of traders were doing. Just I'm 2% away from losing this account. Let me just go ahead and lose it and buy another one. Nah, bro. Like, I know my strategy. I know who I am as a trader, and you got to know who you is as a trader. So, hey, man, if y'all got any further questions or any advice or anything y'all want to say in the comments down below, bro, just please let me know. And if y'all want to even give advice in the comments to other traders or other people, you know what I'm saying, just advice in general, you know, losing advice, winning advice, just any advice, feel free to do that, bro. So, hey, man, I'm finna reach my destination. So, hey, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this talk. Hopefully, I was able to at least help somebody in Drawdown, or help somebody, and maybe you might not even reach this level yet. Maybe when you know what I'm saying, reach the level of Drawdown for your first time, you be like, oh, Metro did say this, and I know you might break your rules. Let's keep it a buck, bro. First time hearing some shit, it take you a good couple times to actually, you know, realize that shit. So, hey, man, I'm just here to just try to help y'all. You know, I really don't give a fuck about the YouTube money. Like, I really don't. I don't give a fuck. I'm just here to help y'all out and just try to do my job. Just try to do my job, man. So, hey, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Y'all be smooth.